Be ready, 5 seconds.
Natural disasters are big events like floods, earthquakes, droughts, and cyclones that can cause serious damage to people, homes, and nature. India often experiences these disasters, and with changes in the weather, some are happening more often. Recently, India has been working on ways to reduce the damage. One of the most common natural disasters in India is floods. During the rainy season, many rivers overflow, causing floods in cities and villages. In places like Assam and Bihar, floods happen almost every year. These floods destroy homes, roads, and farms. Kerala has seen worse floods in recent years, with homes and crops being badly damaged. Many people lose their homes, and it takes time for life to return to normal. Cyclones are another big problem. Cyclones are strong storms with heavy rain and powerful winds. They mostly hit India's eastern coast in places like Odisha, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh. Cyclones can cause flooding, knock down houses, and hurt people. Recently, Cyclone Amphan in 2020 caused a lot of destruction in West Bengal and Odisha, leaving people without electricity and clean water for days. Earthquakes are also dangerous, especially in the northern parts of India. The Himalayan region, including states like Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir, often experience earthquakes. These earthquakes can make buildings fall and roads crack. In 2021, a strong earthquake shook Assam, but luckily there was not much damage. Droughts or periods of very little rain are becoming more common in India. They mostly affect states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Karnataka. Droughts make it hard for people to find water for drinking and farming. Without enough water, farmers cannot grow crops, and many families struggle to get by. In some areas, droughts last for a long time, making life very difficult for the people who live there. To deal with these disasters, India is taking steps to prepare and protect people. The government created the National Disaster Management Authority, which helps the country get ready for natural disasters. NDMA teaches people how to stay safe during floods, earthquakes, and cyclones. It also works with local governments to give early warnings when a disaster is coming so people can move to safer places in time. India has improved its early warning systems in recent years. The Indian Meteorological Department now uses satellites and radars to predict when a cyclone or flood will happen. This helps give people warnings early so they can prepare by moving to safe areas or getting help from emergency teams. Building stronger homes and roads is another way India is reducing the damage from disasters. In places like Odisha, where cyclones happen often, the government is building stronger houses that can stand up to the wind and floods. These houses are made with stronger materials and they are built higher above the ground to prevent flooding. In coastal areas, planting trees helps slow down the wind and keeps soil from being washed away. Managing water better is important too. especially in areas with droughts.